guys, Lock and Crawl here. Just want to do a quick review on the Freespirit Odyssey. Just arrived today, and I needed a hard shell tent for my Jeep JK. That's Knuckles. That's my baby right there. We have a trip coming up in Colorado, a 7-day overland trip. Gonna hit up some pretty cool scenic trails out there. Be staying somewhere different every night. Try to get some good footage out for you guys out there. But yeah, just really impressed with this tent. I haven't slept in it yet, obviously. Gonna mount it here on my roof here in a minute. But as I have it on these tables, that would be a good time to be able to open it up for you and see what it's all about. And then we'll do the same once it's on the roof of the Jeep. Yeah, let's get this bad boy opened up. Big difference. Look at that measurement. Little under 7 inches. It's like 6. Yeah, but once it's on the roof mount, it's gonna probably add another 1.5 inches or so. More aerodynamic, less weight, only weighs 136 pounds. It sleeps too comfortably. Perfect setup. So this is the 49-inch Freespirit Odyssey series with the tri-layer hard shell tent. As I mentioned, only weighs 136 pounds. Perfect setup to have on top of your roof. Yeah, I'm not all about having a rooftop tent on your roof full time. But in this particular case, with this kind of weight, that's not too bad. I mean, we'll see once it's on top, and I really don't care to have, again, as I mentioned, keeping it on my roof the whole time, but for this Colorado trip, I think it's going to be perfect. Got your bags there for your shoes. Look at the thickness of this mat. I mean, this is pretty dang thick. It looks like almost 3 inches. Memory foam, very nice. It's the tri-layer. Sorry guys, it's a little dark. Yeah, so once you open, as you saw, once the clamshell opens up, this pops pretty much right out. You just pull this out, and you have these bars on the side. It starts off here when you first open it up. You push it in, comes out, you expand it, locks into place. To bring it back down, you push it in. You also have this zipper up here to adjust this bar. You got 2 adjustments. So it can lock into place. I'm not gonna zip it up right now. You have some pockets in the corners here. Oh yeah, I forgot, there's also an LED strip right up there. Actually, that'd be kind of cool. I might just plug that in. I'll be right back, guys, so you can see what that looks like. All right, so I'm gonna be using this Anchor battery pack. Just plug it in. I could just drop it into the pocket. There you go, right in there. All right, so we got the LED strip plugged into that Anchor battery pack. It lights up pretty cool. Look at that, guys. Oh, that's awesome. There you go. There's the battery pack, just plug it in. That is pretty cool. It lights up perfectly in here. There's a tri-layer. Such a cool tent. Beautiful. Oh yeah. This rooftop tent also has this rail system. It's kind of hard to see right here, but there you go. It goes around the whole tent on the frame there. So you can mount, well, you're gonna be able to mount the ladder. Well, at least the bracket. That's what these brackets are for. They'll be mounted there. And then the ladder will just clip like that once it's put into place. And this is some of the hardware that it came with. This is the hardware it came with, I should say. And this is for the ladder. And these are for the roof rack to be able to mount it on there. And it came with this cool little tool bag. That's pretty cool. That's nice. And when it arrived, it actually, all the tools were in this bag over to the left. And see, I'm gonna be mounting the shower back here. And you guys will see what that looks like once it's up on the Jeep. But here, for the steps, you have these little mounts here that you can screw them in. And that is going to be, I'm assuming, for these screws here. There's 4 screws. It looks like that would work. Should mount. Yep. Looks like there's 2 here and 3. That works like that. Perfect. Very cool. Awesome. That is that, guys. Check it out. It even has some very cool rubber gaskets all throughout. Give it a nice seal. Very cool. Well, that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoy. If you guys have any questions, anything else that you might want to see, just keep me posted and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching.